Today we're going to try and weld up the axe bit. So we'll get the body welded, weld in the tool steel bit that we forged out. More on that a little bit later. Along the way we'll also be trying out the new axe eye drift, which looks quite sweet. It's come up a treat. It's a pain in the ass to forge out though. Jackhammer bits, tough stuff. So that'll be a good one. It should just fit nicely. I do worry about the ears that I've drawn out. They may suffer a little bit through this process. I'll endeavour to protect them as much as I can with the geometry of the anvil. Seeing as I haven't made up a set of bolster plates yet. Gotta love traffic. But yes, so we are essentially at the welding up stage, and once the bit is welded, we'll grind a bit of the profile so we know how much refining we've got to do, even things up a bit, spread the cheeks out a little bit, put the tool bit in, and then weld it up for that final last little bit, and then refine the eye. I'm going to have to do a little bit of extra work on this because it is wrought iron. It has delaminated a little bit, so there'll be some extra work at forge welding temperature in and around the eye just to try and work out some of these flaws as much as we can. I don't think we'll be able to get rid of them completely, but we'll do our best. And yeah, let's get things hot.